What's up, motherfuckers? It's me, OG Mighty Mouse, also known as AnTsy Mouse. Yeah. Today's episode is when you're in the lobby with me, don't ever fall asleep. Because I would record you. So, this is for you, buddy. Huh?
Guru, you need to shut up, cause wait, call him a raggedy ass bitch? What? Oh. Hey, yo, Guru, how does it feel to be in my shoes? Fuck you. Oh my god, I like it got louder. He's like, fuck you, Sonya. What do Gurus dream of? Guru snooze. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Dude, what the fuck was that? That was fucking scary. Do it again.
Oh.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Guru the Nasty, aka AnTsy Guru, aka OG Guru, aka.
Get on with it!
aka.
Get the fuck on with it, Sonya! God damn it!
aka.
The Snorlax.
The snore. AKA louder than a motherfucker, AKA going on YouTube, AKA fuck this nigga.
AKA Sonya, shut the fuck up.
AKA louder than a motherfucker.
Yeah, ain't got nothing, eh?
Okay, you can stop it. Stop anytime you want now, Guru, please. I'm just gonna keep doing that, okay?